I'm going to change that. We will do Hindi, okay, in the next class. One worksheet is left to complete, if you all remember. There is one worksheet.
In maths?
No, in Hindi. I'll let you know afterwards. Let me finish first our first class, then we'll talk about it. Yes, good morning. Chalo everyone, join your hands and close your eyes. Everything I am, everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Good morning to everyone. I hope you all are good. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
God
ma'am.
bless. We have a birthday boy in our class, and today is Laksh's birthday. Laksh, your microphone is off.
Happy birthday, Lux. Happy birthday, Lux.
Okay, let's sing a birthday
Happy
song
birthday,
for
Lux.
Laksh, and he's going to
Happy
contribute.
birthday, Lux. Happy birthday, Lux.
Chalo.
Happy birthday, Lux. Happy birthday, Lux. Happy birthday,
Let's
Lux.
sing a birthday song for him, everyone. Yes? Chalo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Laksh. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. God bless you. Many, many more, dear Laksh. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a many, many happy returns of the day, Laksh. Thank you. He's giving food to you online.
Happy birthday, Lux.
You can eat from our side, Laksh. You can have a bite. Happy birthday. God bless you. So we will come today at your home, right? All of you, us, and we will have a cake party. Yeah? Yes, Laksh? Chalo. Now, yes, I was talking about that this class is your English class and your next class will be your Hindi class. We are going to solve the worksheet. If in case you don't have the worksheet at that time, you can write the answers in your notebook. Okay, so that is all about your next class. That is for Matra, Aki Matra worksheet is there. Now, today we are going to do two things. One, we have a last blend left, that is SWA blend. SW is the last blend of S blend, that is SWA. Okay, so we'll finish that and then we will do revision. But before that, I want to clear a doubt of Shlok. Shlok, do you remember you were asking me skirt, right? SKIRT, that is skirt. Why IR is having a different sound, not having I sound? Okay, this is the spelling of skirt. We have learned the blend SK is sk, right? And here we have a sound of T. But here IR is having a different sound. There is no sound of I. Again, I will tell you, your IR is having sound. Okay, IR is having sound. If you remember, I don't know, like if you have learned all the 44 sounds, आपने LKG में 44 sounds learn किए होंगे. What? No, all the letters having a sound. There are some of the letters which are two letters together, IE, AR. This all are called digraphs. What they are called? Digraphs. And that digraphs having a single sound. जैसे ब्लेंड में दो लेटर को हम मिला के साउंड जैसे आती है एक साउंड, वैसे डायग्राफ्स होते हैं जो डायग्राफ्स के साउंड भी एक होते हैं. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द डायग्राफ साउंड जो आपने ऑलरेडी लर्न किया होगा, बट माइट बी यू फॉरगेट. And if you have not learned, then you can just get to know IR is having sound. Okay. Do you remember what is the spelling of bird? BIRD. हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we will say? BIRD, bird. So over there also BIR. IR is a sound pronounced as D, bird. Okay. There is no sound of I and proper R. Both the sound is having Okay. Bird. Even you can say bird. Then we have a next word. We can say first. I came first. I came second. So at that time we are saying first. FIRST, first. Again here IR is there. So first. Okay. This is the way we pronounced. Then the boys are wearing what? The boys are wearing. What you are wearing with the button? Shirt, right? Shirt. So again here we have IR. So IR is having sound. That is a digraph. Okay.
समझा नहीं तो ठीक से बैठ रहा है.
हाँ.
आएगा नहीं समझ में. Sorry मैम. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yes, श्लोक आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था और ये आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. IR का साउंड होता है. Okay. So whenever you are speaking IR is included as a digraph. Okay, we have many digraph. 44 sounds we have learned. हमारे letters कितने होते हैं? How many letters are there? We have 26 letter A to Z. But that 26 letter having a 44 sounds. Okay, how many sounds are there? 44 sounds. Yes, and you have learned that sound in last year.
26 letters and 4 sounds.
44 sounds, not 4 sound. 44 sounds. Okay. So this all are digraph. We have many digraph. We have CH as a digraph. We have SH as a digraph. We have AR. There are many other.
26 letters.
Please mute your microphone. There are many other letters which having two letters together and they having only one sound. Okay. So this is included in your digraph. Now let's begin with our topic. We have a blend today which we are going to start. That is SWA blend. Right? What is that blend? SWA. SW is having a SWA sound. I'm sharing you the screen and we can see what are the words from SWA.
Ma'am, can I say one word?
Yes, please.
Swim.
Yes, swim is correct.
Swan.
Swan is also correct.
Swan. Swipe.
Swipe is also correct.
Swipe.
Swift.
Swift.
Ma'am, as well.
Swag is also correct. Swag is also correct.
Sweep. Swing.
Swing is also correct. True.
Sweep. Ma'am,
Swing is also
Egg.
just correct.
Ma'am, swag.
Swag is correct. Okay, let's see. Whatever the words say that are only the words of SWA.
Sweet.
Now please mute your microphone. S and W combined make the SWA sound. Okay, what is the sound? SWA. What are the words? Swa and swan. Okay? Swa and swan. Swa, ing, swing. Swa, ing, swing. Then swa, im, swim. Swa, im, swim. You like to eat sweets, right? So swa, eat, sweet. E, two E are together having long sound, E sound. Okay? So swa, e, ta, sweet. Swa, e, ta, sweet. Whenever two letters are together and that is the same, they having a long sound. E is having E sound. Swa, eat, sweet. Let's read a sentence. A white swan. Okay? A white swan. Here WH is a digraph. Okay? So it's having V. I, T. E has no sound here. Again. Okay? So V, I, T, white. White swan. Now let's do the recap of OR S blend. Do you understand about the SWA blend? SWA blend, did you understood? Right? SWA is SW is having SWA sound. SWA and swan. SWA ing swing. SWA im swim. SWA eat sweet. And a white swan. Yeah? Now let's do the recap of all the blend which we have learned. Any other word you want to tell from SWA? Somebody says SWA, IPE, swipe, SWA, egg, swag. Both are correct.
I said swap.
Swap is also correct.
Sweater.
Sweater. Yes, it is correct.
Sweeper.
Sweeper. It is also correct.
Man, sweep.
Swip is also correct.
Switch.
Switch. Switch. Correct. Let's do the recap of the S blend. Okay. So here we have learned this S and C. Okay. When they are combined together, they are having ska sound. Swoop is correct kiya. So ska sound. Ska, arf, scarf. Ska, alp, scalp. Ska or score. There will be no E sound. Ska, air, scare. Okay. Both the letter having E at the end, so there will be no E sound. Ska and scan. Ska, oop, scoop. When two O are together, it is having oo sound. Ska, oop, scoop. She has a scarf. Okay. She has a scarf. Then we have the SK sound. Okay. So SK is again having ska sound. Okay. Ska, ate, skate. There will be no E sound again here. A has a long sound. Ska, ate, skate. I told you right now, I explained you this. Ska, skirt. Ska, skirt. Okay. Then we have ska, ip, skip. Ska in skin. Ska ip skip. Ska in skin. Ska I sky. Y is having I sound, long sound of I. Y is having I sound. So ska
Ma'am,
I. Yes.
like fry.
Yes, fry, fly. Okay, these all are the words of I. So ska I sky. Then ska unk skunk. Ska unk skunk. He likes to skate. Yes, Vedika.
What is skunk?
Skunk is a squirrel. Another word you can see in the picture. He likes to skate. The sky is blue. U-E is having U sound. Okay. So the sky is blue. Now coming to next blend is SN is sna. Okay. Sna. Sna, ale, snail. Again, you have to remember many things at the end of this year. So
Snap.
yes, AI is having A sound, okay, because two vowels are together. So there will be one sound of the vowel and the first vowel is having a long sound. So sna, il, snail. See, I'm explaining you this thing in between of the words. Why? Because you should know which word to pronounce how. What is the spelling of what and how to pronounce that particularly letter or when two letters are together. Because as you will go in grade 1, you have lots of things to do. You have to read the sentence, you have to write the full sentence, you have to read the chapter, you have a grammar. Many things will be there at that time. So if you will not pay attention right now, it is going to be very, very difficult for you to understand the things when you will go in grade 1. Okay, so that is why I am telling you, you should be very careful when ma'am is explaining you something. So you should be paying attention at that time. Okay, you have to remember which letter is having which sound and how to pronounce it. Don't forget, you do it practice every time. Otherwise you will forget. Sna, ale, snail. Sna, app, snap. Sna, o,
Oh, no.
बीच में
sna, o, snow. Sna, ek, snake. Again, E is having no sound here. Sna, ek, snake. A is having long sound. Went the snake. Went the snake. Sta. Okay, sta. Sta, amp, stamp. Sta, amp, stamp. Sta, are star. Sta, are star. Sta, up, stop. Sta, up, stop. Sta, ov, stove. E at the end, no sound of letter E. Again, E at the end, no sound of letter E. And O is having a long sound, the name of the letter O. Sta, ov, stove. Sta.
Magically.
Yes, yes. After blends, we are going to learn that only. But I should make you clear while you are reading the words. So, sta, ov, stove. String and strong. Red, say, stop. Okay? Red says stop. Spa. SP, spa. Spa, ill, spill. Spa, ill, spill. Two L are together, the sound will be L. Okay? Spill. Spa, arc, spark. Spa, arc, spark. spot. Spa, ot, spot. Spa, the speed. E together, let it be long sound. E. Spa, the speed. Spa, ort, spot. Spa, I said O is having U sound. Spa, un, spoon. A spot on a spoon. Then SM, sma. Sma, I'll smile. E at the end, no sound of letter E. Smile, I, long sound. Sma, all small. Sma, L, smell. Sma, oak, smoke. Again, E at the end, no sound of letter E. O is having long sound O. Sma, oak, smoke. A big smile. And today we have learned this swa. Swa and swan. Swa ing swing. Swa im swim. Swa eat sweet. A white swan. So here we have done the recap of S blend. Now we will do Now we are going to do the recap of all the three blends afterwards, so that you can get clear idea for all the three blends. L blend, S blend, and which is the other one blend? R blend. Yes, so three blends we have completed. And as we are going to complete one by one a new topic, it's going to be difficult for you. So pay attention right now. Otherwise, the end of the topics are very difficult to remember. So you should be very careful and you should do the recap. जो भी चीजें मैम करवाते हैं, every day sit for 15 minutes and do the recap of all the things. Okay? Start reading some big stories. Start reading some storybooks. So from the storybooks, if you will read more storybooks, so you will get to know the sound, the new letters, and how to pronounce them. Okay?
I have storybooks.
So you have storybooks, you have to
I
read
have
it.
storybooks.
Good. Then you have to read it. Chalo. So here we are ending our English class. Okay? See you in the next class. Your next class will
Bye,
be... Bye-bye, class.
Bye. Bye.